Welcome back again. So since our last video we have gone through like what we are going to develop in this tutorial, and I hope you have installed Ollama in your local system through some command prompt, or maybe Windows has something else. And after that we need to pull a model from Ollama which is going to run in our local system. So there are many models for Ollama like Gamma 4, Queen 3.5, many things, but what we're going to use, that is Llama 3.2. We are going to use Llama 3.2 because it takes more it takes smaller space compared to the other versions. If we go for upper versions of Ollama models, then you may end up ending space in your local system. So the type of work what we are going to do for that Llama 3.2 is enough, and I'll recommend you to use this Llama 3.2. But you can experience a higher version of Llama 3.2, but it will be at your own risk. That's a funny part, but once you have installed Ollama, you need to check the version of Ollama or the port where Ollama is running. So to understand which port Ollama is running, let me just make it bigger font, and let me clear this. I will just change the background color to something else, like this will be visible for everyone. To know which port Ollama is running, you need to run this command, and default port is 11434. So if we run this, we get to check that okay, in this port this Ollama is running. And to a full model like Llama 3.2, what you need to do, you need to type Ollama and simply pull, and that Llama, that model name 3.2. Since I have already pulled this model, I'm not going to run this command anymore. Alright, once we are done with this installation, we are ready to do our coding part.